Towing roadside service. So I don't know. This one's a tough one because it is pretty inexpensive usually to add it to your auto insurance. And traditionally, we've added it to everybody because it's just so inexpensive. The downside of it is a lot of companies now we found that when somebody goes to shop, they're counting tow claims against them for eligibility. It's not a chargeable claim. It's not like, hey, we're going to surcharge you for the claim. It's just that you have too many claims activities. So now they won't insure you. So I would recommend, like, if towing is something you feel like, hey, I really need towing and I care about it, rather than put it on your auto insurance, it might make sense to buy a AAA membership. It's more expensive than having it on your auto insurance, but it kind of splits those two apart. So that way, a lockout or a tire change or a breakdown that you have to have the car towed. Now those things are not counting against you as claims with your auto insurance for if you want to look at a different company in the future, because those things are going to be an eligibility issue for some companies. Not all companies, but some companies look at that and go, hey, we're not going to offer it. So, or it might change the tier that you qualify for inside of that company. So it's a good coverage to have. And if you're like, hey, I haven't had an issue in the last 20 years, having one or two of those over the course of a 3-year period, it's not a big deal. If you have one or two of those a year, that becomes a bigger issue for qualifying for different companies. So it's something to think about.